Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Kumar Verma, and today I am going to start chapter 11 of NCERT, which is of syllabus of this month, and the chapter is algebra. This is part 1. Clear, student? So now in this chapter we will discuss about what is algebra and how we will use. Clear, student? So first I written something here. Acha, in arithmetic, arithmetic means, student, what? Arithmetic means here, as you know that we are using plus, minus, multiply and division. Clear, student? And we using numbers. So these are comes under arithmetic. Clear, student? जैसे it is written in arithmetic we deals with specific numbers and use the symbols. अब what is the numbers? 0 to 9 you use the number, student, to represent them. जैसे if you have to write down 10, 11, 12, तो you use these numbers जैसे from 0 to 9. Clear, student? And we use the 4 fundamental operation जैसे namely plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Clear, student? जैसे if you have to add 2 and 5, तो what you use symbol? 2 and 5, तो answer is 7. Clear, student? तो these 4 fundamental sign you use to solve your sum. Clear, student? Now in this we will discuss about algebra. What is algebra? Clear, student? So this we will discuss on the base of example, and in your book the first thing is given matchstick pattern. Clear, student? What is this? I will explain everything. See it carefully. Clear, student? Matchstick pattern. So in algebra, first we will discuss algebra with the help of matchstick pattern. Now, student, what is this? What is matchstick pattern? If I am supposing to make a letter L, if I have to make a letter L. Clear, student? As you know that this is the letter L. Clear? Now you know that here this is the letter L. Clear, student? Up clearly you can see how many matchstick is required. How many matchstick required? मतलब I explain कि I will explain the algebra with the help of matchstick. So first is matchstick pattern. We will explain or we will understand how to use matchstick for algebra. Clear, student? Okay. So here you can see L is given na, so L letter. अब how many matchstick are required for a letter? You can see. You can say, sir, 1 matchstick and 2 matchstick. So number of matchstick equal to 2. Clear, student? Acha. Let us. I want to draw 2 times. This one 2 times. Clear, student? So let us again draw another. This one. Clear, student? Now again this is mark it. Clear? So here for 2L number of matchstick equal to what? 4. You can count. See 1, 2, 3, 4. Clear, student? Acha. Again I want to draw another L. Again I want to draw another L. So what I will do? Again I will draw another L. Clear, student? This is another L. Now again you can count the number of matchstick. Mark it. Now total how many matchstick required for 3L? So number of matchstick equal to 6. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And again you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clear, student? So here we observe a pattern. Clear? What? For 1L number of matchstick equal to 2. Clear? फिर again for 2L number of matchstick equal to what? 4. Similarly for 3L number of matchstick equal to what? 6. Clear, student? There I think you are able to understand. Here we follow some pattern. Clear student? We follow some pattern. If you write here number of L and here you write number of matchstick. Clear student? So for 1L number of matchstick required 2. For 2L number of matchstick required 4. For 3L number of matchstick required 6. Clear student? So here one pattern follow. What? For when you multiply 1 by 2, so it will come 2. When you multiply 2 by 2, it will come 4. When you multiply 3 by 2, it will come 6. It means what is the actual mean of this? Here we generate a formula. We generate a formula. Clear student? Formula is what? Formula 2n. What is this? So 2n means here you can see you are multiply in every number 2. Clear student? If every number you are multiply 1 by 2 to 2, 2 by 2 to 4, 3 by 2 to 6. Clear? So n represent number of L's. Clear? And this is also our variable. After some time I explain what is variable. First we have to understand how 2n works. 2n works means if we required 3L. If you required 3L. Clear? So what you will do? 2 so it is given and here you will sign multiply because 2 into n is given. Clear? And initially I explained you have to use these 4 fundamental signs. So if you want 3L, so what you will do? 2 to given or n means number of L. Up here number of L is what? Number of L is 3. So 3. It will come 6. Again if you want 12L. Clear? So 2 so you will write down same. Clear student? And number of L is what? 12. Here n means number of Ls. Number of Ls. So it will multiply by what? 12. Because number of L is 12. So it will come what? It will come 24. Clear? Because for one matchstick so you will draw. For 2 matchstick you will draw. For 2L you will draw. But if I want to know ki for 30L, so if you are going to draw, it will take so much time. And you want to know the number of matchstick immediately. So what you will do? You know that the formula is 2n. Clear student? So what? You can write down 2. So similarly you will write down according to formula. Multiply L. The value of L is 30. So you will write down 30. So 32 is 60. Yani for 30L you required 60 matchstick. Yani 6 matchstick. Here 24 matchstick. Here 60 matchstick. Clear student? So I think this is clear. With the help of this pattern we obtain a formula. Formula is what? Formula is 2n. Ab n is what? N is the number of L. Clear? Means how many L required. So if you require 3L, yani 2 multiply by 3, it will come 6 matchstick. Ab how L is how this formula come? I explain. Yani for 1L you require 2 matchstick. For 2L you required 4 matchstick. For 3L you required 6 matchstick. Clear? It means this is the multiple of 2. Clear? So we obtain a formula 2 multiply by n. Clear students?